Hey guys, welcome to another natural hair video. In today's video I will be trying to get the perfect curls with chia seed gel. Now chia seed has a number of properties, good for the body, good for the hair, good, it's also good for your mass and a lot of things. Now according to my research, chia seed has a lot of hair benefits that are really good. So I will be trying chia seed in my hair for the first time. I really don't know what's going to happen, if it's going to turn it good or if it's going to turn it bad, because I haven't tried it before. But I want to try it because it has a lot of properties that's really good. So according to my research, chia seed contain a chunk of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acid, and a lot more vitamins. It also helps to strengthen your hair strands. It is also powerful for hair growth and a lot more. So those are just few of the benefit that it has for the hair. So my hair is already sectioned up, so it's much easier to handle. So it's sectioned up. So I section it up into 5, and I will be using these rods. These are the ones that I'll be using to rod it up. And also I have already the chia seed, I wouldn't say gel, because I didn't just soak it, because when I soak it, it didn't give me the consistency that I want or the texture that I want. It was still between watery and jelly, and I didn't want that, so I'll go ahead and blend it so it's like maybe a milk, so give it a little milky look instead of jello look, but it still have a thick consistency. It's in between, it's not that thick and it's not that liquid. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'll be using this to actually wet the hair, to moisturize it first and then just set it up. So the video, I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just going to go straight into that. Okay, there we go. So I'll be starting with this one here, the smallest one. Well, it actually produced some amount of curl already, so let's just go. I think it's going to be easier if I just twist them first and then wrap them over the rod, because I'm not going to get this right. The thing about the chia seed though, it doesn't have any smell. I don't think you have any smell. I don't smell anything. It's not smelling bad or good. It's just in between. It can also be used as a moisturizer or a detangling agent, because I didn't detangle my hair and I spray it and I just comb it straight through. Like, it's really soft when you spray it on it. So it can be used for a detangling agent. So I'm going to go on to the second one, which is already sectioned off. So if you can see, my hair is a little dry because it has been cane roll for a while, so it's a little dry, but yeah. So I'm going to section this off as well, like same as I did this one, but I'm going to twist it first so it's much easier. This is enough. Look at this. So you see, it can be used as a detangling agent. Look, the brush just goes straight through it like, wow. Normally I have to be tugging it before it can actually come out, but I'm definitely going to use this for my detangling agents whenever I want to detangle, because it works good. Because look, the brush is just going through it like, that's amazing. So as you can see, it already produces some amount of curl, a lot of curls by the way. So I think it actually will work. Before I spray it on is a little coarse, dry I would say, and if I'm gonna show you if I comb it out. Look, it's really hard, but when I spray this onto it, Okay, so we are all finished, and this is the amount of hair that comes out. I don't know if it's too much, but I haven't detangled my hair in a while because the ends of my hair has been bleached, and I just do not want to be tagging them too much to cause it any just to cause it to damage or anything like that. So this is what came out, and we're all finished. Really do not know what the chia seed will do to my hair, so I'm kind of worried about it because it's the first time that I'm going to use it, and I don't know if it's going to break it. I just do not know what to expect. So yeah, I'm a little worried, but I'm gonna let this all cover. I'm gonna cover this and let this air dry for a while, and then I will take them out and I'll give you a review and everything, like the texture of my hair, how it makes my hair feel, the damage that it has done, or whatever. I will just tell you everything about it. So see you then. Hey guys, so it has been 3 days since I put in these rods, and I actually leave them in for 3 days because I want it to completely dry. Normally I would just use the blow dryer, but we are on a no eat challenge, so yeah, 3 days. So I'm just gonna pull them out. I don't know if they curl, I don't know exactly what the chia seed gel did to it, so I'm going to be as shocked as you are. So yeah, let's just get these out. Hey guys, so I am all done, and you gotta be the judge of this. Me personally, I am loving the curls. I didn't expect it to curl this much. It's actually my first time curling my ear like this, and it turns out amazing. Wow. Well, the chia seed did a really great job. I'm just going to spray some sheen on it now, and then that would be it. So you guys, please comment below, tell me what you think about these curls, if you think I should do it more often. Just please comment below and tell me how you feel. Thank you for all watching. If you do like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Also remember to turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you all for watching. See you soon.